Hi there and welcome, it's Carolyn Hill speaking here. Hey, just going to give you some guidelines on how to access what we call the Parent Portal, which is in fact a parent website which gives access to some of the key information about your child's learning at Cambridge Primary School. In short, the teachers do assessment data on your children, and we put it on a student management system called ETAP, which we do the role and everything like that. So it's a full student management system, and now we can allocate privileges for parents to log in and see certain data on your children. Cambridge Primary School will be using it mainly just to show some assessment data, not all of it, because some of it isn't really totally relevant. So I'm going to show you now. You will have already been given a user ID and password from your probably at your parent interview, or if not, on a letter of some kind. So you need that information. If you haven't got it, please contact the school. Okay, so the first thing you're going to do is go up to the very top and type in www.atschool.co.nz. You'll see up here I've got that address already typed in. Okay, and I'll just move that across so you can see. I can actually remove that. You will there put in your own user ID and your own specific password, and then you will push in log in. That will log you in to, this is a test student, so Christopher Lee Yee is not a student at our school, nor is Not a Worry School a real school. It's fictitious and it's made purely for this tutorial. Okay, so you will log in and your profile will look similar to this. This, for demonstration, has actually a lot more functions than what Cambridge Primary School, because we're just learning and very new at it. It obviously has a lot of tabs along the top there, and in time I'm sure we're going to get to use some of these things here, but for the meantime the main thing that you will have access to will be your child's assessments, okay, that we can put on. So I guess home will give you, this is the home, will give you information perhaps on school terms. I'm not sure if we've got that set up just yet, but we will in time. You can change your password and email that you've given on the first page, and there's information that you can find out here. There might be notices here that we might use in time, but currently not set up. So the dashboard has other features. Now, like I say, Cambridge Primary School is still very new at this, and a lot of these features will not happen. So the main thing that you're concerned with will be learning. So if you click on the learning tab along the top there, and this one has quite a few options along here, but when you see your child's one, it'll probably just have homework, and teachers will maybe in time learn to put homework on there. It might be the way they do it, but for now the one that you're looking for is assessments. Now if you click on assessments down here, you'll see its thing, and what it has is a list of some of the assessments that the student Christopher Yee has taken part in. Some of them may in fact be similar to the ones that your own child has undertaken, NUMPA and ICANN, Peter's spelling and things like that. So this is just a list of some of the tests that have that the student has done, and you can either print those or do whatever you like with them, really. So really that's it in a nutshell. It's pretty simple. Logging in, clicking on learning and assessments, and this is where you'll see your students' data. Okay, we hope that there shouldn't be too many complications, but that's it. And then of course you need to log out at the end, but what I do suggest you do is to go back to the dashboard, back to home, and change your password and that to make it special for you, because it's obviously a different and unusual set of numbers that have been given to you, and it might be a bit too difficult to remember. Okay, so that's it. So you'd need to log out, and that's it. So you user ID and password, and then you log in. If you have any problems, just contact the school. Thank you for watching. Now I've got to know how to stop this.